Welcome, I'm following is a Nokia 6310, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So let's get started by navigating to our menu. So press the center key, and then using the up and down you want to select, let me quickly find it, settings, there we go. And from here we're gonna go into phone settings, scroll up, and I believe this is the quicker way. Oh, never mind, it's not even here. Oh, there we go. So it's in just the settings option at the bottom, factory or reset factory settings. Click on it. Now it did change the language for some reason back to, I believe, the Polish, but it looks like that's it. Yep, so as you can see, it automatically changes the back to the default state, and that changes the language to the default one, which for this phone is Polish. But anyway, that is basically how you do it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.